Hello everyone, it's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com, and today I'm going to make a quick card using this die from the Hedgehog Hollow September kit. I keep coming back to this again and again because I love it so much, and I'm having a giveaway right now on Instagram with this die and some other sets that I'm going to show you later on in the video. So go ahead and stay tuned to get all the information about that giveaway. So I've put some double-sided adhesive on my cardstock here, and I'm just going to press it down with my bone folder just to make sure I don't have any air bubbles. Now normally when you put the double-sided adhesive on, you cut the front of the cardstock so the back is a sticker. But this time we're going to do it opposite, and we're going to cut the front side as the sticker because I want to add some glitter to this, of course. A sugar skull that's a little bit sugared with glitter I thought would be really fun. So I'm using this new tool from Maker Forte, which is one of my favorites, and it's a double-sided tool. I'm using the craft pick side to help me get out all the extra die cuts, and now I'm going to use this glitter from Maker Forte. It's brand new, and I believe this is the sugar, can't remember the exact name, but I'll have it linked below. And I'm going to use this to put on top of that double-sided adhesive. So I removed that backer, and now I'm just removing the ones that just kind of stayed in there. I'm using that same rainbow craft pick tool that I love so much, and now I'm going to sprinkle on the glitter. I started out by using that transfer paper, but I found that my fingers work just as well for this. And you'll notice that I missed a little bit of the backer paper, but I'm going to go back in and get that in just a minute. I found that as I was trying to get the rest of those off, my fingers kept sticking to the adhesive. So if I use that glitter first and then go back in and take out the rest of that backer paper, it worked out so much better. And now I'm just going to glitter on the rest of that right here and use my finger to add that to the sugar skull. So now it really is a sugared sugar skull, and this glitter is so neat. It is biodegradable, so it's friendly to the earth, and it's not extremely glittery like knock your socks off glitter. It is a more subtle shine, and it kind of looks a little bit fuzzy actually. This die cut is so unique, and I think it would look so pretty die cut in felt or even flock, or even maybe glitter paper. That would be really pretty too. So now I have already cut some strips of paper in these Halloween colors that are super bright, and I'm just going to glue those on using some liquid adhesive. This is my favorite liquid adhesive right now, the Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. I'm just going to glue those on. I'm kind of eyeballing it, trying to keep them the same distance apart, although I do think it would look pretty to have them start out closer together, and then as you go down, you make them a little further apart. So either way, whatever works. So here I am just having that finished, and now I'm going to add the sugar skull there. I've die cut some letters, and I'm going to add them to some black paper. I used the purple, same color that I used on the stripes, and I thought that it would pop more if I used the green, but I really wanted that sugar skull to be the star, so I did more of the purple here, and so that it kind of blends into the background a little bit. So now a little more about the giveaway. I am giving away the September kit contents that includes the die, a stencil, and I believe 3 stamp sets. I'll show you that in just a minute. You have to go to Instagram to enter. If you are not on Instagram, don't worry, because I will be having some YouTube giveaways really soon. I am getting close to my 10,000 subscriber mark, and so I'm going to be doing a lot of really great giveaways. So I hope you'll stick around for that. But for this particular one, you have to go to Instagram, find my post a couple of posts back for the giveaway, and follow the instructions on what to do for entering. So that is what the giveaway is all about. It ends this Friday, so you only have a day or so left if you are watching this on the day that I created it. So this Friday, which is October the 9th, is the deadline for the comments. So I've just used some liquid adhesive to add that glittered sugar skull to some fun foam that I cut out of black fun foam. That's going to give this card some more dimension and make it pop right off the front there of the card. Now I'm going to add some foam tape to this sentiment, and then I'm going to glue on the rest of it that overlaps the skull so that it's kind of equal there in dimension. So I'll just add that to the bottom, and that is going to be our card. A very simple card. All you have to do is add it to a top folding card base or a side folding if you want. This one is top folding today, and it's a 110-pound card base, nice and thick. And there's our card. I hope you can see a little bit of that shimmer. It's hard to see the glitter in a video, I know. And as I said, this one is much more subtle. Here is what I am giving away. All of these stamp sets, this rose stencil that came in the kit, and also this die. It will be brand new, not the one that I'm using, but brand new products that have never been used before. So again, go and comment. I'll leave the links in the description below so that you can do so. If you liked this video and you like this die, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I love all your comments as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be back real soon with some more inspiration. Thank you again. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.